Guys, welcome back to the channel / account. My name is McMay. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm doing the Garolo Oli challenge, but let's just say it turns into a minigun Oli challenge basically.
Broke nigga alert. Broke nigga alert.
Is it talking about me?
Bro, you're pretty mean. Why would you say something like that? You better not call me broke. I hear shots. Wait, y'all, the henchman killed that guy. Okay, thank you. Yeah, boy, you ram toes, boom, bam, got you. Don't mess with me. One tap, let's go. Refresh real quick.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on, follow me. Come out.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Well, if it isn't Big Boy Brutus.
You better stop!
I'm coming for you, big boy. The celebration dance to share the win. Get all the loot I got. No one stands a chance. This kid's not coming down. I've been shooting him for the past 1 hour. Are you gonna just stay there the whole time, fam? Come down, please. Please, my brother. I'm done, bro. Come on. Ooh! Finally. Phew.
Easy!
Okay. That was easy. No sweat. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so there's no one there. I'll just go into zone. Oh, I see someone.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I was.
Okay, shut that down real quick. Oh snap. Okay, you wanna build? Okay. Who's got the height now, baby? Who's got height now? Come on, edit that. Oh, or you could just do that. Okay, wow. Ooh! Another one. Let's go.
Another one.
5 kills, 7 people left. Let's go. I see you, buddy. Come on. I see you. Peek me. Come on. Oh, snap. Okay. What am I doing? My height now. Now I got the high ground, brother. Ooh!
Another one.
Wanna come up, buddy? You wanna come up? No. Get that out of here, bro. Get that out of here. Fighting, I'm coming. Wait for me. What the heck are you doing? Wait, let me come back up. Stop shooting me. Oh, okay then. Guys, that wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow for more. And tell me what challenge should I do next.